Reinforcement of Raft Foundation. According to the ACI, American Concrete Institute Code, when arranging reinforcement bars in a raft footing, there are certain guidelines to follow. Here's how you can arrange the 4 layers of reinforcement bars B1, B2, B3, and B4 based on the ACI code. 1. Bottom layer B1. The bottom layer B1 of reinforcement bars should be placed closest to the soil or bottom of the raft footing. The bars in this layer are typically placed parallel to each other and perpendicular to the longer sides of the raft footing. The spacing between the bars should not exceed the maximum limit specified by the design requirements or the ACI code. 2. Second layer B2. The second layer B2 is placed above the bottom layer B1. The bars in this layer should be placed perpendicular to the bars in the bottom layer B1 and parallel to the longer sides of the raft footing. The spacing between the bars in this layer should also comply with the design requirements or the ACI code. 3. Third layer B3. The third layer B3 is placed above the second layer B2. The bars in this layer should be placed parallel to the bars in the bottom layer B1 and perpendicular to the longer sides of the raft footing. The spacing between the bars in this layer should meet the specifications provided by the design requirements or the ACI code. 4. Top layer B4. The top layer B4 is the final layer of reinforcement bars and is placed above the third layer B3. The bars in this layer should be placed perpendicular to the bars in the third layer B3 and parallel to the longer sides of the raft footing. Similar to the other layers, the spacing between the bars in this layer should adhere to the design requirements or the ACI code. It's important to note that the specific reinforcement requirements, such as bar diameter, spacing, and configuration, may vary depending on the design specifications, load conditions, and soil properties. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel CED Engineering Academy for more site knowledge videos.